Good afternoon and a very warm welcome to Phil Weaver Automotive on this rather chilly afternoon in January, but nevertheless we are here to showcase our latest addition, which is the BMW. It's the 116d M Sport. It's the 1.5 diesel automatic, 3-door hatch. Beautiful car, 2017 on the 17 plate, done just short of 17,000 miles, and what a pippin. Beautiful car throughout, so looking forward to showing you around this car in a couple of minutes. Just would like you to make a note of our website, www.philweaverautomotive.co.uk. We are based in Merebrow, in between Preston and sunny Southport. As I mentioned, rather cold today, not too sunny. Purchased direct from the main dealer. We have all our vehicles go through the workshop. They are independently inspected with a pre-delivery inspection. It's a written inspection. We provide all our customers with a top copy, and we keep a copy here on file. And it's our local garage that look after us for all our servicing, repairs, MOTs and the PDI. Now, we have had a couple of amendments to the overall spec of this vehicle. We do like to make our cars stand out from the rest, and I have to say we've had a couple of additions done to this car. You'll probably spot from the front we've got the gloss grille. Took out the old grills, put in the new kidney gloss black grills. We've had the wheels, the wheels have been painted, tyres off the car. Wheels off the car, tyres off the car, wheels stripped back. They are powder coated, they are finished in hybrid black. And what else? We have also had the vehicle, it's only had a single machine polish. Bespoke Car Polishing in Crewe has carried that out for us. And we have had the ceramic coating. Couldn't think of the word then. So ceramic coated, which really does give this car an absolutely fantastic shine. I know we're under a little bit of false light here at the moment in the showroom as the afternoon light is drawing in, but it really does finish the car off. So our standards are very, very high. We like to ensure we turn out all our vehicles absolutely right in the marketplace for our next customer. So as I mentioned, www.philweaverautomotive.co.uk. Please check it out for the 100 photographs, a lovely write-up and specification details as well. Just give you a quick run through, but please refer to the website. I mentioned we have the 18-inch M double spoke alloy wheels in hybrid black, multifunction steering wheel, tyre pressure monitor, automatic gearbox, fantastic gearbox in the BMW, park distance control, auto wipers, auto lights, Bluetooth interface, satellite navigation, sport seats and sun protection glass. Glacier Silver is the colour, with the cloth, sort of the anthracite cloth with the blue and silvery tint hexagonal pattern in the seat, which I'll show you in a second. Yankee Bravo 17 Foxtrot Sierra X-Ray. If you're looking for an insurance quotation on this car, please use registration number YB17FSX. If you're looking to obtain a quotation from Compare the Meerkat or Go Compare, please use that as your reference. As I say, all our cars are inspected to prepared to the highest standard. We do love to ensure we're putting the right cars out in the market. Just look at them 18-inch double M spoke alloys, fantastic. The car has Goodyear matching tyres all round. Just look at that paintwork shine. Beautiful, beautiful finish. Bespoke car polishing at crew, don't half make our cars stand out. We don't do every car, but we just felt this wanted the single stage, which we have carried out with the ceramic coating just to protect your car, giving it extra protection. Some protection glass, just going down the lines of the vehicle, just look at that, absolutely beautiful. No dents, no bangs, no scrapes, no scratches, just a proper motor car. Just go into the boot. We have over 35 years of experience and knowledge within the industry. We are very passionate about the motor industry, very passionate about our business, and very passionate about the service we provide our customers. We have over 300 5-star reviews. Every review is a customer experience, so please take a look. We have them on Auto Trader, we have them on Facebook and on Google My Business, so please take the opportunity to check out what other customers have to say about us. Sorry, I was just in the boot there. All important locking wheel nut key. So batteries in the rear, no spare or tyre mobility kit because this car is on run flats. And we have some tools there, first aid kit, and we also have the warning triangle here. 60/40 split rear seating. We have the stowage net at the side as well as on the floor. Stops everything from rolling around in the rear whilst you're driving. There we go. Just stunning. Same again, just taking you down this side. Excuse my feet squeaking on the floor. We have just had in between Christmas and New Year, we've invested in some resin coat paintwork, the light grey for the showroom floor, and it's certainly come up a treat. It makes the cars really sort of stand out in the photographs and on the video. So they've got the nice, you can see here, sorry, it's like more like a silvery blue and black sort of, I think they call it something hexagonal trim, but anyway, it'll be on the website. Windows, mirrors, adjustments for the seating, cushion tilt, nice support for underneath your leg, just to support you whilst driving. Probably not seen many bums on them seats in the rear, but just lovely. I hope you're okay with the lighting there, just with the darker interior and the sun protection glass, just make it a little, that's better, it's just catching the light there now. You've sort of got this cloth and this velour part of the seating, just lovely. The anthracite headlining as well. So from an exterior and interior colours, they really do complement each other. The M Sport kick plate, tailored mats front and rear. I'm just going to jump in, straighten the steering wheel. So we have 16,617 miles on the clock. We have auto lights and wipers, multifunction steering wheel, indicators left and right, parking and main beam, Auto stop start for the engine, auto stop start, does exactly what it says on the tin. Come up to a set of traffic lights, put your foot, slow down, come to a stop, keep your foot on the brake, the engine cuts out, lift your foot off the brake and the engine will start again, and off you go. It saves you fuel. Why would you want to be ticking over using fuel when you don't have to? Just look at that seating, beautiful finish. Been extremely well looked after, this car. Got the sort of the brushed aluminium inlays in the doors and on the dash, just above the air vent there to the right hand side, and again on the driver's side. Just giving you a quick overview, I have put a number of these shots on the website with the photographs. So I can't, my phone is connected, as you can see with the iPhone. I don't have it on at the moment on my phone, because if my phone rings now it cuts the video off, and I've learned, well, it's happened many times and you think you'd learn from your mistakes, so I now stick it on airplane mode, remove the Bluetooth, and allow to show you around the iDrive on the car. So we have the radio, Rock FM, our local radio station in Preston. Just turn that down slightly. So we have multimedia, radio, telephone, navigation. So map, that is an overview of the northwest, Blackpool, Preston, Southport. You can see the blue arrow there, slightly closer to Southport than Preston, about 20 minutes outside Preston, sort of 10-15 minutes outside Southport. Just bring that closer in. There we are, Mere Brow, that's us in the picturesque village of Mere Brow. Has its own little pub and delicatessen. Delicatessen is still open during the COVID times, but unfortunately our local pub isn't, and our hearts go out to the owners of our local pub during these terrible times. Speaking of which, there are COVID-19 rules and regulations to abide to. Currently, as in lockdown, tier 4 restrictions, we are unable to invite our customers to the showroom. This is why we are showcasing our cars as standard anyway, but video and the photographs and a lovely write-up. You can contact us via social media, email, text, telephone. We are here to take your calls. Click and collect. You can order the vehicle online, so you click the reserve button for the vehicle. With a £99 deposit, we get told that the vehicle has been reserved. We get in touch, we discuss the deal, how you're looking to purchase, whether it's finance or cash. We can organise you and send you through the deal from the finance company, which is Motonovo, who we use. We can organise a time for you to collect. The car will be ready in the click and collect bay, and you will, when you arrive on site, we will pass you the key. Pretty much contactless throughout, which is what we need to adhere to. And we also have free home delivery anywhere in mainland UK. We will support our customers in these times. We have been doing home deliveries for many years, but certainly more so in this last nearly 12 months of COVID, whilst we have been able to operate, and as I say, adhering to the rules and regulations and looking after you as well as ourselves. I think that sort of pretty much covers that off, but very, very straightforward. Happy to discuss that any further with you. Back to a little bit more of the spec. We've got dual climate, air conditioning, direction for passenger and driver. On the passenger side, you don't get the screen one as you do on the driver. I found this out many years ago when a customer asked me the question. Sat in a car on the forecourt, went through it and said, yes, you're right, only has two of the directions for the air on the BMW. Auto lock, stowage with 2 cup holders. Nice glove, centre armrest with some storage, mainly for your phone. We've got the aux in and USB Bluetooth. USB connection. Obviously the car is Bluetooth compatible. We have the auto gearbox. We also have a nice feature, as you'll see on here now, which you can alter the driving dynamics of the car. Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, back down to Sport, Comfort, Eco Pro, so reducing things such as air conditioning levels, etc., provides a more efficient way of driving. We have parking sensors front and rear. All the main features that you need, that you probably be able to extract out of your needs and requirements on a daily basis, you'll be able to extract from this car. That possibly is it. I think I've shown most of the features on this vehicle. I mentioned tyre pressure monitor as well, auto lights and wipers, satellite navigation, just running these through my mind. Full spec on the website www.philweaverautomotive.co.uk. Just going to pop outside the car. All our vehicles are sanitised and deodorised during our valeting process. They are also sanitised and deodorised prior to collection, as well as all the touch points are wiped over prior to handing the car over to you or delivering the car via free delivery or click and collect. It's been a pleasure walking around this vehicle, just showcasing this lovely BMW 116d Sport Auto Diesel Glacier Silver 1717, done 16,600 miles, just over. Please get in touch, 01772 396 528 or mobile 07817 463 888. Get on the website, check us out social media, please check out all our reviews, just experiencing what our customers have experienced. We are a 5-star dealer, and we would love to be talking to you about this car. And thanks again. Keep safe, keep well, and look forward to speaking to you soon.